Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create best-selling dad t-shirt designs that are selling on Etsy. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I did was I searched dad t-shirt, and of course, you want to make sure you can also niche down and talk about specific dads, girl dads, boy dads, football dads, whatever niche you want to create different designs. But for this video, I'm going to show you a bestseller or popular design now. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So as we scroll down, right now we have, as we know, custom design shirts or items in general sell better. So I wanted to make sure that I did something like that. So we have popular now, best dad ever, with of course looks like the children and their names there. So, or this one right here, Alex's dad, established 2023. So I'm going to go ahead and recreate this one and show you guys how to do it in Canva. So let's get right into it. So we'll go over here to Canva. This is the design that I recreated. Um, of course, you can try out different colors, maybe offer different color options on your Etsy listing to see what sells best. But for this one, I just picked blue. And so let's get right into it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit an add page. This is a very simple design to create. The first thing you want to do is just go over to text, add your text, and you're going to go ahead and type in whatever you're putting. So whether it's best dad ever or Alex's dad, meaning the child's name. So we're going to just say best dad ever. And then you're going to go ahead and make sure that it fits the sizing of the page. So this particular sizing, if you go over here to file, is 3852 by 4398, and you can get this sizing in Printify or wherever you are creating your print on demand t-shirts. And then you're going to go ahead and when you're on your home page of Canva, you're going to go ahead and select custom size here at the top. Type in that custom size that is on your print on demand website, and then go ahead and hit create new design. And this will ensure that it's high resolution and that it will fit perfectly on your t-shirt. So again, we have best dad ever. You're gonna go over here and click fonts at the top, and you're gonna go ahead and select what type of font that you want to use. The one over here seems like a very thin and stretched out font. So you can go through and find, or you can just go and just click through the fonts that are in Canva till you find one that you like. And then you can select the one that you want. The one that I used is not in Canva. I uploaded it. I used this Game of Thrones font. But again, you're going to go through and select whichever one looks good for you. And then all you're going to do is hit these little plus sign right here, which is the duplicate. You're going to make sure that it's centered by looking at that pink line, and you're just going to hit duplicate again. And once you hit it a few times, it knows the right sizing. And then that is it. You're going to highlight all of the text there and hit group and make sure that it's centered on the page once again. You'll see both of the pink lines making basically like a T or a cross. And then you can change this to whatever color that you want. Maybe you can offer to create different listing options, do it in different colors, offer it in blue, then offer it in black, and then other colors, just to see what is selling or getting the attention the most, and to also be able to have more listings out there that are easy to recreate. So like I said, I have the best dad ever here. The next thing to do is obviously when someone does this, they're going to be uploading a picture of their child. And Etsy now has the option where people can upload images on a form. So that's great. Once they give you the image, you're going to just upload it. But for this example here, like when you're creating your mockup, all I did was go over to Elements and I typed in little girl. And then you can select whichever little girl you would like. I chose this girl right here. So we're going to go over here. You're going to simply hit background remover at the top, and you're going to bring in the sizing so that it's not stretching all over everywhere. And then you're going to go ahead and tighten it up like that. You're going to put it towards the bottom of the text, and then you're going to bring it up to like right about where they can see best dad ever here. So I have two different options. I have the one where she is the best at ever. The last one is in front of the text, or you can have where she is in front of all of the text. So you can do either option. And then to make this black and white, which goes along, you can also offer it in color as well, because both of these are in black and white, just to see. But for this example, we're going to hit edit. You're going to go over here where it says filters, hit see all, and then you're going to go over to the section that has the black and white, which is mono. I believe I selected this Nord, so you can adjust it as well. But of course, if you're going with the black and white, you're going to keep it at 100, and you can click through and see which one you like. I felt like this one looked the best as far as the black and white, and that is what I did. So the last thing that I did was add the text for the child's name. So you're going to just go ahead and hit text again, heading, make it larger, and just for the mock-up, you can use whatever name you want, Sophia, Maria, whatever font you want. So we're going to go ahead and do, just for this example, we'll do black. And I wanted it to be like a cursive font, which is kind of like the example here. So what I did was I went over to here and I just typed in handwriting anytime you want like a cursive font, you just hit handwriting and you simply just go through and see which one you like. Select through. Of course, different fonts change, so you might have to make it bigger or smaller based off of that particular font. And I did add effect to this. I added the effect of an outline and thickness with a color. So if you want to add an effects, you can go ahead and add a drop, glow, echo. Of course, you can change the color of the echo as well. But I chose outline for this. So this is a gray. If you wanted to do a gray, obviously you can't do white on white, but if you wanted to do an outline on that, you just select the color and do it that way. It doesn't look the best with the black on the inside, so you probably wouldn't do outline for this particular color. But this one I did do an outline for the blue. Yeah, so once you know which type of cursive font or font that you want to use, you simply select it, add it to the particular design, and that is it. You can go ahead and highlight everything, hit group, and that is it for your design. You can go ahead and hit share, download, always select transparent background, select to pick the particular page you're downloading, hit done and download, and then you're going to upload this to Printify or wherever you are doing your print on demand. So just to show you guys how this design looked on the shirt, I did already upload it to Printify. As you can see, I think it looks great. I'll show you just the men mock-up because this is for dad, so best dad ever. If you like how it looks on the shirt, then you know that your design is good to go, and then you just hit save product and go ahead and continue adding the details, and you can connect this directly to Etsy and it will publish it directly from Printify or Printful. If that is what you're using, you can also download this mock-up as well if you want to use it in your social media marketing and things of that nature. Yeah, so this is how I was able to simply recreate this popular now or bestseller dad design. And I hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos I should create next. Subscribe so that you don't miss a video. And I'm doing this series right now where I'm recreating best-selling or popular Etsy designs. So if you want to check them out, you can go on my channel as well. And I have a ton of videos on Canva tips or for beginner, making money with Canva and Etsy. So you can check that out as well. If you would like to receive Canva templates every single month, you can sign up for my membership. It is $9.99 a month, and you will receive membership templates sent to you every single month to your email. It will be a few templates sent every month. So it will be worth it because you can resell these designs and make money. All right, I appreciate if you made it all the way to the end, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.